Hey guys, if you want to get into an engineering menu or a service menu, it's kind of a secret menu on the HP Officejet printers or HP printers in general. This particular one is an HP Officejet 2620 printer. We're in the engineering menu. Let me show you how to get in there. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to the home screen and you're going to press the home button. Then you're going to press this dash button and then home button twice. So let's do that. Home, dash, home, home. And there we go. This is an engineering menu, which allows you to troubleshoot your printer. It's very simple. So manufacturing menu, it's got like special reports and stuff like that. Press cancel to go back to the menu. Then this software menu, I don't know why they call it underwear menu, but anyway, it's an underwear menu, something new. They didn't call that before, but that's what it's called on this printer. Service menu, that's where we're going to find our reset, which is a popular thing that people want to do when they're looking for this reset. So you can press resets menu. We're using the up and down arrows right here, up and down arrows. And if we want to reset the region or the language, partial reset, semi-full reset is the popular one that will help you clear some of the messages that are usually just like a software kind of glitch. That's what you're going to press OK, and that will reset your printer. It'll turn off your printer. I recommend unplugging it from the wall when it's off. Wait about 30 seconds and then turn your printer on, and you should be all reset. It's going to ask you for basic questions in the beginning, such as the language and the region. So I'm going to press English. I'm going to confirm that. USA, confirm that. Set the date. The time. Sorry, I didn't change those. I should have. You just use the up and down arrows. I was going to press September 2024 is when I'm recording this. So, but you saw I just skipped through that by pressing OK. I should have selected the up and down arrows. So it's going to ask you to load paper, and you're going to do the alignment. Anyway, that's how you reset your printer. That's how you get into the engineering or the service menu. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.